I'm here at the Fatty Bao, Powai this afternoon. This is the third outpost of this chain, the first two being in Bandra and Lower Parel. The newest one, I'm curious to check this out for lunch. This Asian gastropub offers some great drinks, some fun, quirky elements in their food, and of course, yummy desserts. So I'm all set to try out my lunch. Fatty lotus root, spicy red chicken ramen, and the fatty hill. These are the three dishes that I'm trying out for lunch this afternoon. Fatty lotus root. Yes, the name signifies fatty, but it's actually named after this place, the Fatty Bao. And the menu of this place, this Asian gastrobar, is truly varied and a melange of dishes. For a change, I've decided to skip the baos that this place is famous for, since I've tried those earlier, and instead focusing on these three, especially the spicy chicken ramen. I love the presentation of this fatty lotus root. Lotus roots in an interesting spicy fiery kung pao sauce, I'm told, and of course lots of nuts and sesame to give the right crunch and bite to this dish. Let's try it. The first mouthful of this lotus root has certainly set my taste buds on fire. It's nice, spicy, pungent and zesty. This one is really a palate teaser. This spicy red chicken ramen looks really appetizing. And yes, filling too. It's a complete meal in itself. That's what Japanese ramen is all about. Noodles, fiery spicy chicken, piece of egg, bean sprouts and a lot more. I'm going to discover this right away. Aromatic too. I love the flavors of Pan-Asian food. They're actually comforting, aromatic and fragrant as well. The chicken mince, noodles, egg and veggies are actually giving the right amount of crunch and crispy texture to this dish, as well as a lot of creaminess. With my palate quite literally on fire after the fiery spicy lotus root and of course the ramen, I am now onto my dessert course. This one looks really interesting. A mint-scented chocolate pyramid, lots of Rice Krispies, almond pralines and of course vanilla ice cream. This looks really lip-smacking. What is interesting and perhaps ironic is the fact that all the three dishes that I've tried have actually been a bit of a roller coaster ride in terms of textures and flavors. The Rice Krispies here blend perfectly with the mint chocolate and the ice cream lends it the right kind of smoothness. The mint flavors have actually enveloped my mouth and have really given a soothing touch to my taste buds. I'm loving this one. Dim sums, sushis, curries, ramen, small plates, Jain versions, desserts, view. That's really a lot of food. That's what the Fatty Bao menu is all about. And although this was not my first visit to a Fatty Bao, a first certainly to the Powai outlet, and I've thoroughly enjoyed my lunch. But one visit to this place is not enough. I'm certainly coming back for more. If you enjoy watching Mini's Food Fundas, do subscribe to my channel.